What's up? What it do? Is good with you? It is Dark Beauty 925 coming to you live, and today I'm going to be doing my January favorites, and I'm so excited because this is the first month of 2018 where I get to show you my favorite things of this year. So that's something that I think is very exciting. So I have about like maybe 8 to 10 things that I'm going to show you. They vary like on different stuff. I don't really have clothing items this time, just all products. So I'm just going to get right into the video. So one of the first things that was my favorite for the month is this Winterberry Wonder, and it's a body spray from Bath and Body Works. And I really had a lot, and it was hard for me to choose which one was my favorite this month, but then I based it off of the one that I used the most, and I used the Winterberry Wonder one the most, and along with this other purple one it's the packaging just like this, but it's purple. That's another one, but this one has more of a softer tone because I know some people's allergies don't allow like heavy perfume scents, so I wear this one more because the purple one is more like of a perfumey scent. So most definitely this. It smells so good. It's like strawberries and I don't know. It's like this, I don't know. It's just like this very good, just smell good scent, like the basic girl strawberry smelling scent, but not like cheap. Next thing that's my favorite is this aloe vera gel, and I got this from Target for about $6, and I was very kind of like, I don't know, iffy about it because I didn't know how this was gonna work, because originally this type of stuff is like for sunburns and I just don't get sunburned. But I was thinking of, like, I use regular aloe vera gel because me and my mom grow aloe vera plants, so I'm like, let's just check out the gel, because I mean, all of this for $6. So I just wanted to see how it worked on my face, and I think it's been doing pretty good. This is part of my face routine every night, along with some other favorites that I have this month. So yes, it's been working out really well, and it's a lot of product in the bottle. Like, I use it almost every day since I got it, and this is in one of my haul videos, I believe. And it's still lasting. Like, I know I had this for maybe over a month now, or exactly at that month mark. So there's a lot of product in it. It was a cheap price, and it actually works. So this is most definitely one of my January favorites. Next thing that I have is this grapeseed oil, and this is my favorite because when it comes to my hair. So grapeseed oil can be used for many different things, moisturizers, some people cook with it, but the reason it is my favorite is because it really softened and gave a lot of moisture to my hair, to my real hair, because I took my hair down. I took my hair down in January, and I just like, for like, when you have weave in, if you don't really take good care of it, your under your weave can get dry because you're not really caring for what's under your hair, like your real hair, because you have weave. So sometimes it can tend to get dry once you take it out, but this really like locked in the moisture, and I just really love this, and it just really helped when it was like my wash day when I took my weave out. So most definitely recommend grapeseed oil, especially if you have very thick and coarse hair, because it'll most definitely do its job when it comes to heat protecting, when it comes to you needing moisture, and when it comes to softening your hair. Another thing that is my favorite for January is this makeup bag, and I did do a makeup bag tag where basically I just told what was in my makeup bag. So I'm not going to go through the contents of the makeup bag, and plus the contents in the makeup bag is not really what's my favorite. It's just the makeup bag, period. So I just love the color of it. I like what it says, kiss and makeup. It's just a cool little, I don't know, a pun, I guess. And also it's a nice size to fit in my purse, and it fits a lot of my things in there. So I most definitely love this. Another thing that I have as my favorite is this dual eyelash glue, and it has like glue and stuff all over it, so I don't even want to bring it close to the camera. But basically it's just like y'all see that? So it's that duo brush on adhesive, and it has like different vitamins in it, and I got it in a dark, not a clear, so it comes out like black, even though sometimes on the thing it looks blue. Or this might not be the one that looks blue. But yeah, I just really love this. It's bubbling and stuff. I just really love this eyelash glue, and I have to go buy some more actually. Next thing that is my favorite, like my most definite favorite, is this palette, and I'm not even sure if I might have put this in one of my other favorite videos, but I'm just putting it there again because it is most definitely the best palette that I ever had, and I got it from Kohl's for about $18, and you can see just all the pretty colors that are in there. My favorite are like the glittery, the more shiny colors. and I just use this palette every day. Well, anytime that I wear eyeshadow, because I don't wear eyeshadow every day, but anytime that I do wear eyeshadow, it is from this palette. And I think just the diversity of the colors that's in here is a good makeup palette for beginners, especially if you are like my skin tone, because these colors go really nice. Like all the colors in here go really nice with my skin tone, especially the range of like golds and stuff that they have in here. So most definitely recommend this for sure. One of the last things that is my favorite for this month is this Equitone dark spot serum, and I originally got this because I have a lot of dark spots around my face, mostly like around this area, and it's a couple more towards like this is a dark spot, but that really just will not go away. It did lighten up, but yeah, mostly around this area and like around like up here a little bit. So I just kind of wanted those to go away, and to me it has been working, and I noticed the results like very fast. Like after 3 days my skin was actually not lightening up, but you know, the dark spots were lightening up, not my whole face. And I was scared because I usually don't get stuff that has like somebody that isn't of my race on the bottle when it comes to dark spot serum, because I don't want my face to turn like, this might not even be true, but I was just scared like what if my face ends up looking way more lighter than the rest of my body. But this actually works so good. I'm gonna just show you like what the applicator looks like. It's basically a what do you call these things? I don't want to call it like a funnel, but it's like the little suction up thing. And I do this every night along with the aloe vera that was more towards the beginning of this video, and a couple of other things, and then that's how I keep my skin clear. So my last favorite of this month is this Garnier Fructis Style Straightening Mist, and I just really love this so much, and I put this in my natural hair products video as well, along with some other things that I also showed in this video, because it was very helpful in my wash day. And I just really like it because along with it being a heat protectant, it's also a straightening mist. So once you want your hair straight, it does both the jobs for you, so you don't gotta have like 2 different things if you want your hair straight and use it as a heat protectant, which most of the times you don't. But I just really like this. It's so, and it smells so good. It smells like really refreshing, and I think it really does the job that it says it does. I mostly use it on my weave, not really my real hair. I did use it on my real hair, but I mostly do use this on my weave. So that's all for my January favorites. I really hope that you enjoyed. On the last 20 seconds of the video, my face will pop up right here in a circle, and that is a direct way for you to subscribe. Also, please like and comment if you enjoyed any of my favorites, or if you want to tell me what your January favorites were as well. It is Dark Beauty 925. I'm out of this life. Bye.